guys, it's Fat Daddy in a bee suit. What could this mean? Could mean that my bees are here. Here? Damn phone. Alright, hold on. Okay. So what I gotta do is I gotta pry this off, and then I guess I gotta pull the queen box out and stick it in here, and then I got all this crap upstairs and get it in the hive without getting stung and killed.
Just letting you know, if those swarm, I'm bolting. I'm bolting. I'm not
Don't be a
staying.
baby. Alright, so we're gonna pry this cover off.
That's not what his is.
Alright. I'm gonna spray him down some sugar water.
This is not okay.
And this supposedly makes him not want to kill me. Let's see if they're right.
Or kill that.
Let's spray him good. Yeah, they're not even making noise now. All right. Let's get the cover off. All right. So the queen is supposed to be under this little thing. Get out of here. Yeah, here she is. All right. Put this on here. All right, that's the queen board. This queen's in there. So what I got to do is I have to put a little hole in that with this nail. There's a little piece of candy in there.
Piece of candy.
Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the queen board, and I'm just going to pin her up here.
Oh my god.
There's a last.
Oh my god, no.
All right. So now she's going to go up into the hive, and then I'm going to have to bring these bees up and get these bees up there. So let me get up there, and then we'll come back and I'll get this bees up there and get started. Well, I've got the bees in there now, at least most of them. There's a shitload of bees in there. I'm just going to gently put these frames down. I try not to squash anybody. If they get out of the way. All right. So there's about 10,000 bees in here.
Ah! Get away! Shoot!
All right.
Hey.
Now I'm going to try and get the cover on without killing anyone.
Jesus. If you kill one of them, they'll all be pissed. Hey. Hey. There we go.
All right. Now the few that are left in here, you see there's a couple in here?
Yeah.
Those we're just going to leave right here by the hive. And they'll find their way in there on their own. And this is a feeder with sugar water in it. So I'm going to try and put this in there without aggravating anybody too much. Sit that right there. Yeah, that's all there is to it. Now all I got to do is wait a couple of days for them to free the queen, and then come back and check and make sure she's laying. So we're done.